On Tuesday, an unprecedented attack occurred in Lebanon as hundreds of pagers carried by Hezbollah members exploded nearly simultaneously. The attack, believed to be carried out by Israel, targeted Hezbollah operatives, resulting in at least 9 deaths and 2,800 injuries. The pagers were low-tech devices that Hezbollah had turned to in an effort to avoid surveillance from Israeli and U.S. spyware. International tensions have risen following the attack, and global leaders are working to prevent further escalation in the already volatile region. The operation, which experts believe required complex intelligence and meticulous planning, serves as a warning to Hezbollah and showcases Israel's capability to carry out such covert actions.
Like, comment and subscribe for more news.